wanna try. Cute as hell, baby, hotter than flames. Wanna burn together in a million ways. Now let me take the lead. Know you wanna play with me. Got secrets you might wanna see. You might wanna see. You might wanna. I know I'm not gonna regret this. Wanna get reckless, put you to the test. Yeah, I know I'm not gonna regret this. I wanna get reckless. I wanna get reckless. I wanna get reckless. I wanna get reckless.
Guys, what is up? DCS is right back again, and this time it is also the Hot Wheels unboxing video, guys. So last week I made about the Fairlady 2000, the railroad car. Here I got this time is the 69 Ford Torino Talladega, guys. So this beautiful muscle car right here is extremely awesome. Like, it's got the flames on it, so can't wait to unbox. So you know the drill. First the unboxing, and then let's go for the information. So yep, guys, let's begin with this thing. Wow, guys, look at this car. It's so beautiful. Like, wow, the purple color on this car really sits out very well, guys. And look at the lights. It looks like it's actually reflecting on the floor, the chrome on those lights. Wow, this car really brings out the wow thing, guys. And the interior is also quite decorated nicely. I hope you can see that dotted seats over there. Wow, this car is seriously cool, guys. It's really awesome, except for the missing headlamps, and the tail lamps should have been a bit red, but still, comparatively, it's so beautiful, guys. And of course, the windscreens, they're so awesome. They're not in any other kind of color. They're just transparent. Wow, this car is beautiful, guys. It's so magnificent. Can't say more about it. So why don't we go for the information, guys? So here it comes. So yep, guys, coming up to the information about the 69 Ford Torino right here. Why don't we go up with the body style? The body style is a two-door hardtop. Well, talking about the production actually began in 1969. And coming up to the engine, guys, the engine is actually a V8, a 7-liter V8, which is an overhead cam that is 2 valves per cylinder, and it's a rear-wheel drive. Of course, all muscle cars are rear-wheel drive. Well, talking about the transmission, guys, the transmission in this car is a 4-speed manual. Good. And talking about the length of this car is 5,232 in millimeters, guys. Well, coming up to the width of this car is 1,895 in millimeters, guys. Talking about the horsepower of this car is 335 brake horsepower. Well, coming up to the 0 to 60, that's the acceleration time. The acceleration time in this car is, it does it in 5.8 seconds, which is quite long. Well, talking about the top speed, all the car enthusiasts gather up here. The best part, the top speed of this car is 130 miles per hour. Oh, that's fine, not too bad. Well, talking about the price, major people come here. The price of this car is 15 grand if you don't want it in a rusted junkyard shape. So yeah, guys, as I've ended up all the information right here, you know what's next. That's the special facts. So let's go for it. So let's see here what's it got. Okay, guys, so here it tells that this car was named after the Talladega Super Speedway, which opened the same year, guys. It was, wow, the raceway was just opened the same year. Wow, this car is named after that. That's really cool, guys. So yeah, guys, as I've ended up all the information for this beautiful muscle car right here, you know what to do. If you are new, just hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and share to all your friends and family. I'll see you all next week, guys, with another video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye. Have a cool weekend.